Today we're going to talk about electronics, the invisible but powerful world that surrounds us every single day. When you switch on a light, open your smartphone, or start a car, all of that works thanks to tiny electronic components. Electronics is the science and technology of controlling electrical signals and using them to make devices work. It started with simple inventions like light bulbs and early radios, and today it has grown into the foundation of modern life, powering computers, the internet, medical equipment, and even spacecraft. If you open up almost any electronic device, you'll find the same basic components inside. The first one is the resistor. Resistors control the flow of electric current. They make sure electricity doesn't move too fast and damage other parts. You can think of a resistor as a speed limit sign for electricity. The second important component is the capacitor. A capacitor stores electrical energy and then releases it when needed. They are everywhere, from power supplies in computers to audio circuits in speakers. You can imagine a capacitor as a tiny rechargeable battery that charges and discharges very quickly. Next is the diode. Its job is simple but powerful, it only lets current flow in one direction. Diodes make circuits safer and more reliable. And of course, modern light-emitting diodes, or LEDs, give us bright and energy-efficient lighting. Another key component is the transistor. This is the heart of modern electronics. A transistor can act like a tiny switch or an amplifier. Without transistors, we wouldn't have computers or smartphones. Today's microprocessors contain billions of transistors, all working together on a single chip. And then we have integrated circuits, often called microchips. These are entire circuits packed into a small piece of silicon. They control everything from your phone's processor to the washing machine in your home. Without microchips, our devices would be huge, slow, and inefficient. But electronics is not only about components, it's also about applications. In medicine, electronic devices help doctors diagnose diseases and perform precise surgeries. In cars, electronics control engines, safety systems, and even self-driving features. And in space exploration, electronics make it possible to launch satellites and explore distant planets. What's fascinating is how fast electronics keeps evolving. Just 50 years ago, computers filled entire rooms. Today, a computer fits in your pocket. And in the near future, we may see quantum computers that can solve problems in seconds that would take modern supercomputers years. So, electronics is really the hidden foundation of our modern world. Without it, we wouldn't have the internet, smartphones, electric cars, or countless other technologies we depend on every day. The more we learn about electronics, the more we understand how our world works. And how many exciting possibilities lie ahead.